Wildfires will continue to have devastating impacts on our communities. So if you know someone who is in a cleanup crew after a wildfire event and you want to help them act fire smart, make sure they know their rights as a worker. So the right to know is really about an employer providing information about what kind of hazards are present and also providing that training beforehand, which leads to the right to protection, which would include masks, gloves, long sleeve shirts, pants, boots. The worker always has the right to talk to a governmental agency, Cal OSHA, or report any issues arising around retaliation after exercising their rights. In order to rebuild our community in a safe and sustainable way, we need to think fire smart.